I will show you how I install Debian on my computer. First, I need a flash drive of Debian installer. I will plug it into my computer and then turn my computer on. For my computer, I need to press F12 to choose my flash drive for booting, and I will choose graphical installer, which I hope it will look more friendly to most of you. I choose English, and for country I choose other and Asia and Thailand. Okay. For locales I will choose United States for now. For the keyboard I will choose American English. Okay. And you just need to wait. I will choose Wi-Fi. And my access point, I need to put some passphrase. I will name this computer V1 and skip the domain name. I will enter the root password and then my name, my username. If you do it yourself, don't forget to back up your drive. I will choose the partition number 2 and use it as ext4. I will format this partition and select the root file system for that, and done. Let's finish partitioning. No, because I don't need the swap partition. I will write the change to the disk. I will choose the mirror in Thailand, and I will choose the Debian Club. I don't need proxy. I don't want to join the contest, so no. I will choose XFCE instead of GNOME. Now the installation is complete, so I will choose continue to reboot. Unplug my flash drive. I will choose Debian. And now Debian is running on my computer. I will need to put my username and password. and then that's it. Now Debian is running on my computer.